Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I just got done ordering a squishy package with 50 squishies in it, and I found a squishy cake, the squishy cake with the rainbow squishy cake.
Oh, wow.
So guys, right now we're in my slime room because I can't get over how comfortable this chair is. I know it's hard to see. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get one of those pillows and sit on it. So guys, I'm getting this chair. Just give me stuff.
You're close enough or closer?
It's good. So I'm sitting on pillows right now to make me tall enough to see the camera. So I'm going to show you my squishy collection. So right now we're in the process of selling these little my calico critters right now. And these people want it separated. And we're selling them together. And the people don't want them together. So, too bad. Sorry. Yeah. Feels like I'm sitting on top of a cloud right now. Actually, you would fall through the cloud. So the first squishy that I have with me is the Loco Squishies, the hot coffee fresh burrito. Comment down below if you want me to do a part 2 of squishy scales. The next one I have is the cinnamon roll. So my elf on the, I'm going to tell you guys where I got the squishies. My elf on the shelf ordered this for me. Well, got it for me. And then this one was at Target that I got, and I thought it was really cute, and it's not sterilizing though. And then this one I got from Amazon. You can tell it's worn out because it is missing eyeball. This one I got from Amazon as well. This one, these two I got in the same package on Amazon. And this is just like a little shock bread. Here is my yogurt swirl that I got in a different kit from than these two. This is my peach, not an eye-blown peach. It's just a peach that I got from the mall. I have this mushroom cat that I got in the same kit as the bread and the gummy bear. I have this hamburger that I got at Justice. And it has a bunch of detailed stuff and there is no defects. I got this Meerkat at Justice as well. It's the same day I got these two together, and they have really cute eyes. I love the eyes. And then I got this Hello Kitty squishy, and then I got the Hello Kitty squishy from Amazon. And my fingers are hurting from squishing them. Then I got this cookie. Kind of defect because my dog got a hold of it. the same eyes as all the other ones, but I got this one a different day. The cookie is a different day. I got this keychain squishy, the dollar store. I got this bread from Amazon. I got this little penguin from the mall with these two. I got them together. I got this little mad kitty in a kit from Amazon, and I got this little bunny, but it reminds me of a tooth. If you were to look at it upside down, it reminds me of a tooth. So, and I got that in an Amazon kit as well. And I got this like jelly-filled squishy thing. I'm not sure like what it is. It's just in one round packets. Next one I have is this creamy cutie squishy tooth squishy. I think that's what you call it creamy cutie or something. And I also as well got that with the 4 squishies from Justice. I have this rainbow squishy that I got from Squish Delish. I have this little bear that I got from Amazon. I also got this little bear that I got from Amazon. They're like, these two are together. And then I got this dog paw. I also got this unicorn cake with the ones that I got at the mall. It's really still rising. I love it. I just like squishing it like the horn a lot in this front rows and the ears. I got that at the mall with the penguin and the eye balloon peach. Well, not eye balloon, just a peach. This is from the dollar store. The little, it looks like it's burnt or something. Then I got this pancake bear that the ear fell off. I got that from it, Amazon. Then I have this really, really defected unicorn that I got from Amazon in a scam. But that's okay. We can always glue it back together. And then this cupcake with frosting, blue frosting and white frosting, and then some chocolate but bottom thing, and that was from Dollar Tree. I have this pink cake with strawberries. I don't know what it's called. Comment down below if you know what squishies are called, because half of them I don't even know what they are called. So I'm not that big on squishies, but I am big on slime. And right now I'm in my slime room, and I'm going to decorate it more because we just got done like decorated, like put up the chair and put up the rainbow dresser thing. And yesterday I just found its ear. So it looks like we can glue that back on. I gotta keep that in the bag. So I have this unicorn squishy that I really like. And there's like this toast. I think it's called the Hello Kitty toast. I'm not sure. I got this Hello Kitty donut in a package with this. These two came together. And then I got this bear. I had a panda bear bun. I did have it, but I gave it away to my best friend in a slime package. So I sell slime at my school, and this is from from Amazon. And I do sell slime at my school, but I don't have a slime shop yet on like Amazon or something. I don't have it yet, but we will be setting it up next week. So here's another yogurt swirl that came in the same kit with these ones. These 3 all came in the same kit. But there's some more, like 2 more that goes in there. Then I have this panda pancake thing. I don't even know. Then I have this ripped up squishy from the Dollar Tree. I have this little ice cream from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then I have this as well that went with these. I'm just going to show you what all came in there. This one that I forgot to show you. From Amazon. This one. This one. This one. And this one. So guys, I will be doing another scamming video, another scam video for this, for like squishy scamming. So yeah, part 2, and yeah, bye. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified to all my YouTube videos. Bye.